In this video, I'll be sharing with you two ways that you can book cheap flights online. The first option we're going to be looking at is Cheap on Air. So stay tuned for the second one. So when you're on Cheap on Air, you want to ensure that you select flights. Select the type of trip that you want to book, whether it be a round trip or a one-way, right? So let's select one way for the sake of this video. Here, you're going to select your departing airport, and here you're going to select your destination airport. So let's say we want to go to Miami, so it's MIA for Miami, and we want to depart the 25th of September. So here we're just going to search flights. We just want to see flights only. And what Cheap on Air does is that it goes out and check all the different flights that are available and try to show you the cheapest ones. So you simply select the flight that you want, scroll down, provide your traveler information, right? And once you complete your traveler information, you simply select go to seats. You select go to seats. Now, not all flights allow you to pick your seat. So in some cases, you'll just see the option to go to checkouts, right? You're just going to select your seat if you wish to select one. So once you select your seat, you go to the next step. And then on this page is where you'll provide your payment information and then you check out. And that's basically it. So now we're going to be looking on another option, which is Expedia.com. And it's pretty similar. So you would select flights. The leaving airport is MBJ and the destination airport is MIA. So let's search. So bear in mind that for this, I did just select the default as round trip, and it shows you the different flights that are available. Again, you just select the flight that you want, then you proceed to select because they are showing you other options. You select the one that you wish to go with. On this page, you need to choose your return ticket. So here I'm just going to select a return ticket. I'm just going to keep the basic, no thanks. And I'll just need to check out and pay, and that's literal hit. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.